Welcome to the wonderful world of Airsoft.
Where?
Sucks that you guys are limited to 1 joule. That means that... Hey, a bunch of people up here.
Got him.
Hey, up in here. Over here too, on the corner of this building.
There he goes.
Now they have the runner hung up between first and second.
Somebody missed the side. Here comes the runner to the plate. Unbelievable!
Big play, and he's out by a mile. What is he doing?
Hello Airsofters. Today we're playing in Wisconsin at the Sheboygan County Asylum with my Polarstar Stoner 96 LMG. According to the rules, there is no LMG fire allowed in the building or from the roof, so we'll be taking out the enemies outside. Thanks to my good friend and battle buddy Chris for hooking it up with the sweet drone footage. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to catch some MP5 action in part 2.
Round 1, fight!
Push it, man.
They're alive, but they have to be on the road. Nice shot, man.
Thanks.
I knew you were there.
I knew there had to be something around the corner.
Round 2, fight!
Nothing through the windows.
Oh, there's a guy down there. Is that tan or green?
That's green, green. You have to tell.
Give me 1 second.
Pull it, Brad. Let me through. Go. Grab me.
You got a bandage?
Yeah, I do. Put it on. There's like 4 or 5 of them around the corner. They're on the far right side, or far left side. You know what? I'll just hose that area right now. Just right now before they pull it up on us.
Show me where.
Left side, around the far corner.
I got one looking down far.
I'm gonna back,
Behind the tree?
I'm gonna back off a little.
Behind the tree?
No,
Or behind that bush?
Farther down.
Behind the dead guy.
No, behind the bush, behind the bush, behind
Yeah,
the
I
bush.
see him, I see him.
Guy.
Got him.
Nice.
Is that center behind the dead guy in the bush?
Hey, you got a ball? Got one farther down this angle.
We got another one going wide.
Suppress.
Yeah. What? Oh, shit.
Reload. Hey, I took everything out on that wall. We got 3 on that corner, this wall. This
Oh,
corner
really?
wall. We have 1 far down holding this angle. Hold that outside angle. The video left it, take it. I got 3. Brad, farther down on that rock.
Hit, hit. There. Oh my God, he's right there. Oh my God, he's right there. He's right there.
Yeah, see him. On the rock. I'm getting suppressed.
Holy shit, yeah.
Look at that corner too. He got hit.
Hey, dead guy, get out of the way. Dead guy at the corner, move.
Brad, suppress it. I'm gonna go.
All right, ready, go, go, go.
Right left.
Hit, hit, hit.
Final round. Fight.
Are those heads right there?
There's dudes in the bushes.
Hit him.
I just got hit.
Jesus, yeah, you fucking did. And we got one over there by that machinery. Oh, he's moving back. He's moving back.
Oh yeah. I wonder if we can get over to if I can get over to this building here, I can get them.
I'll cover you. Ready?
Is that a sniper or a DMR?
Hey, Brad.
Yep, no, I see them.
Over here, Brad.
What? Yeah. They're not hitting me. Yeah, they're not reaching. Hit.
Get down. Where's your ship? All right, here, hey. There's 2 over here.
No.
On the side of this wall right here, look, you can see their heads
Yeah,
peeking
no,
out.
I know.
He's got... Did you get that 2 guys there?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't. Just tuning my hop up. Wait.
Hard. Where? Hey, shoot that guy.
Where?
Right there. Oh, never mind, he's out. It sucks that you guys are limited to 1 joule. That means that you're...
No, I'm not.
Really? Hey, a bunch of people up here.
Got him.
Hey, up in here. Over here too, on the corner of this building.
There he goes. Now they have the runner hung up between first and second. Somebody missed the side. Here comes the runner to the plate. Unbelievable! Big play. And he's out by a mile. What is he doing?
All right.
We got some people on the corner. Watch your right!
What?
That's why.
What?
That's off limits. This right here is inbound.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Whoops.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe to catch part 2 with the MP5. Until we meet again, stay vertical, stay hairy, and always say yes to Airsoft.